Meaning of forborne.
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 Forborne. Forborne is the past participle of the verb forbear, which means to refrain from doing something or to hold back from an action. It implies a sense of self-control or restraint, often in difficult or challenging circumstances. For example, someone might say, "I forborne from making a hasty decision," meaning they held back from acting impulsively. The result of forbearing may vary depending on the situation, but it often leads to a more thoughtful and measured approach to handling challenges, and can help avoid negative consequences that may have otherwise arisen from impulsive actions.